This must be one of them backyard muffler shop repair places that did this, because looking pretty solid, I'd say. If I wanted to have my hot dog wrapped, I'd probably go there, but I wanted my muffler repaired, or any part of my exhaust pipe, I probably would pick a different place, or at least maybe pay for the upgraded method if they have a better version of this. Well, I can tell you that it didn't make it sound cool, and it definitely wasn't quiet. Oh, this is that muffler putty stuff. Works like a charm. You put it on there like clay, and you wrap it with this blanket of non-combustible stuff, and then you put tinfoil on it and drive it immediately so that it heats up and hardens and makes a real fix even more fun to deal with. You'd think a backyard muffler shop would at least have a welder and not put 42 connections in 1 foot of repair. I wonder where the catalytic converter is in this thing. Must be way up there. Somebody tried to steal it and they must have got a resonator instead. Oh, yeah. If you're not very dumb, you don't steal catalytic converters. But if you are really dumb, people think that'll get you some good money, I guess.